Hello guys, welcome to TUTORIEX, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the themes of VS Code. So first I'll open my VS Code and you can see there's a Python file open here. I'll just tell you how you can change the themes. So for changing the themes you can press Ctrl K then Ctrl T, one after that. First you have to press Ctrl plus key, then Ctrl plus K, then Ctrl plus T. Then this window, this list of themes will open up, and here you can see these are the light visual code, light plus default light. These are the default themes of VS Code. It's just built in, it comes with VS Code. And if you wanna download external themes and for VS Code, you can download it from this section, extension section. So I'll just show you the built-in themes here on VS Code. So light visual, you see, Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus T, it's the same. Then solarized light, I'm just gonna show you the built-in themes. Then there's a dark, Visual Studio Dark Plus. These are the Visual Studio theme. Then theme be dark, it's gonna give this kind of visual. Ctrl K, Ctrl T. So this Monokai theme you see here, I downloaded it externally from this section. Like you can come here and search like theme, and you can see it has lots of themes you can download. Just press on any of them and you can see here install. And there's an example also like how it's gonna look when you install it. So that's how it's gonna look. There's a sample pictures, sample screenshots here, so you just have to install it. This theme is what I'm using because I like this theme. So you see uninstall button because I already installed it. So that's how you can change the themes of VS Code. You're gonna choose your own theme or whatever you like. You can search in Google sample images and top themes like that, and you can choose from there, or you can just search here directly, type your theme and you can choose from here. So I hope you like this video, and okay, I'll come back to my theme, the one I like. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.